Welcome, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Personal School morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a higher mathematics class for the student of class 9. Today's topic is, my dear students, it's exercise 3.1, question number 7. That means question number 7 we will solve today only from the exercise 3.1. Our lecture number is 23 and you have the homework. Your homework number is 17. Okay, my dear students, now read out the question number 7 at first from the exercise 3.1. The question is, if the three medians of triangle ABC meet at G, at the point G, then prove that AB square plus BC square plus AC square, that's equal to 3 into GA square plus GB square plus GC square. Okay, we'll prove this one with the help of the theorem Apollonius. Okay, first of all we'll write down here is let AD, BE and CF are three medians. Three medians of triangle ABC meet at the point G. Okay, so G will be the centroid. Let AD, BE and CF are three medians of triangle ABC meet at the point G. Okay, the figure will be what? The figure will be like this one. Okay, suppose this is our figure, this is our triangle ABC, and we let already the medians AD, it is AD, the median BE, this is BE, and this is the median CF. Okay, CF. These three medians AD, BE and CF will meet at the point G. This point is the point G, my dear student. Okay, now we'll get how? We'll get what? We'll get by the Apollonius theorem and the extendant of Apollonius theorem. We'll get from the relationship of three sides of a triangle with the three medians of a triangle is what? Now we will write down, we will get by the relationship between three sides and three medians. We'll get by the relationship between three sides and three medians of a triangle. What we'll get? My dear students, very important, is 3 multiplication with AB square plus BC square plus AC square. That's equal to what? That's equal to 4 into the median square sum. That means AD square plus BE square plus CF square. This is the relationship between the three sides of a triangle and three medians of a triangle. Okay, from this equation we will solve easily. You can solve easily. This is the equation number 1. From this equation we can solve the proof we required here. Okay, wow, how we can prove that? Look at the board, it's in the right side. I am going to the write down. Okay, suppose we already suppose that the three median intersect at the point G, that means meet at the point G. So G is the centroid. Okay, because G is the centroid, so we know that the three the three medians divides into the ratio 2:1 in the centroid, in the centroid. That means here the centroid is G. Here we have the centroid is G. Look at the figure, my dear students. I told you that what I write down here, G is in the point in which point median divided into 2:1 portion. That means AG is the 2 portion and GD is 1 portion, right? That's the way. Now if we assume this as 2 portion and this one is 1 portion, then the total AD median will be 3 portion. Okay, so we can write down, so we have my dear students, it's AD divided by GA. That's equal to what? GA is this portion, that means 2, and AD is total portion, the 2 plus 1 is 3 portion. That means AD by GA equal to 3/2. Okay, now therefore we can write down what? We can write down AD equal to 3/2 into GA. Okay, or we can write down directly, it's 3GA by 2. Okay, this is the value of AD. We have already find out the value of AD. Similarly, we can find out the median's value of BE and CF. We can write down similarly, we have BE. The value of BE equal to what? BE equal to 3GB by 2, and also we can have CF. The median CF equal to 3 into GC by 2. This 3, if we put these 3 values in the equation 1, then we will get how? Look, now we will write down here, putting these values in equation 1. Putting these values in equation 1, we get what? We get, look, the equation 1 is 3 into AB square plus BC square plus AC square. That's equal to what? That's equal to, have in the right side 4 into AD square. AD square, the value of AD is what? The value of AD is 3GA by 2. We'll put it down, 3GA by 2, the value of AD. Okay, and this AD has the square, so we'll put square. Okay, and this 4 is multiplied with all the AD square, BE square and CF square. So we will write down the second bracket here. Okay, dear students, now we will put the plus sign, then we'll put the BE's value. The value of BE is what? 3GB by 2. It's 3GB by 2, and BE has the square sign, we will get the square, plus it's 3GC by 2, because the value of CF is here 3GC by 2. I have put it down, the value of CF, and the second bracket will be closed. Now dear students, in the right side we have what? We'll put the value of the squares here, then we get what? It's 4 multiplied with these 3 values. Now we'll get what? We'll get, my dear students, is 3 square means 9, and GA square, and 2 square, that means 4. Okay, that means that's equal plus, it's 3 square again, it's 9 GB square, and we have 4 as our denominator because 2 square means 4. Okay, and plus sign, it's again 3GC square. 3 square means 9, GC square means GC square, divided by 2 square means 4. Now after that we will add this 3. If we add this 3, what will happen? Look, it's 4 is here. Now we will add this 3. The LCM is what? The LCM of this 3 is 4. The LCM of this 3 is 4 because all the denominator is 4. Now we'll divide this LCM by this 4, we'll get 1. Multiply 1 by this one, we'll get 9GA square. Similarly, we can get 9GB square plus 9GC square. Okay, it's our addition. Now we can omit this denominator 4 and this numerator 4 because this 4 is our numerator here and this 4 is our denominator. So we can omit these two 4s and we can take 9 as common from this 3 expression. Okay, so from these 3 terms we can take 9 as common. So take 9 common, we can write down therefore this 3 into AB square plus BC square plus AC square, that's equal to what? That's equal to we can take 9 as common, we'll get GA square plus GB square plus GC square. Okay, GC square. From this equation, my dear students, from this equation I need to write down here because I have no space. Okay, I'm writing down the next line here because I have no space in the bottom. Okay, my students, this 3 need to omit because we need to prove that AB square plus BC square plus AC square equal to 9 GA square, equal to 3 into GA square plus GB square plus GC square. That is why we no need this 3 in the left side. That's why we can omit this 3. If we need to omit this 3, we need to divide both sides by 3. If we divide both sides by 3, we will get in the left side. Therefore, in the left side is AB square plus BC square plus AC square. That's equal to what? We need to divide the right side by 3 also. So if we divide 9 by 3, we will get 3. Okay, and in this brackets sum is GA square plus GB square plus GC square, which is our required proof. We need this proof. Okay, look at the question. A question is we need to prove that AB square plus BC square plus AC square, that's equal to 3 into GA square plus GB square plus GC square. Already we have proved this one, so we should write down proved here. Okay, proved. I hope, dear students, you have understood how to get this proof. Okay, now you have a homework also, and your homework number is 17. I already declared it, and please, to do that homework, you should write down the HW number in your HW copy in the left top corner. Okay, and my dear student, you have the homework question number 5 in exercise number 3.1. That means in exercise 3.1 you should solve only question number 5 because 5 is similar of the solution of 7. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. See you again inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.